Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In the last part, I showed the dashboard of your WordPress website. Now, in this video, we are going to explore this posts part, and I'm going to show you how to use it and the most important things that you need. So, when you open the posts, the first thing that you see, this is all posts thing that you have. In here, in this widget, you'll see each and every single post that you ever written and posted on your website. Now, these are some parts in here. As I showed, we have a screen options. We can just make this go and uncheck them, get back, and we have this help option here, which shows you what are these things. Now, uh, after that, from this add new, you can make a new post. If I can see here, I'm gonna show you what is this part later. In this part you can design things and write a post, but I'm gonna show it to later. This we have bulk action. Bulk action is what it is. It's necessary a thing that you can uh, do things in a row for all or some of the posts that you choose and check. For example, if I choose one, I have one post right now, and if I put moving trash and apply with this button, all of the posts that you have will go to trash and you not able to see them. Now I'm gonna put this back in the normal thing. All dates, you can choose your you can choose and see your posts by time and the date, and categories. As you can see, I've created technology category. I'm gonna show you how to create categories in this video, and you can filter them by categories too. When you choose them and you click this filter option, it'll show it to you. Hello world, this is your title for your video. This part you can edit. It'll take you to the part that you can edit your post and text, and from quick edit you'll see some options. For example, you can change the title here. The slug is a for example, an address of your post in your website. You can change the date, time, password. You can put a password for it or put it on private. You can choose the categories. I can check on categorize and check the technology. You can change tags from here. You can allow or unallow comments. Your users and readers can put a comment or not. You can check or uncheck it from here. Things is, you don't need this one, and you can change the status of your post. For example, if I put it on published, everyone can see it and it's on the web. If I put it on draft, it's only for you. You can edit it and check it for later if you want to publish it or not. This is everything for quick edit. With this trash button, you just remove it, and with the view option you can see your post in your website. Author is the name of the writer, and categories, as you can see, I told you what they are, and comment section. If I check this and open this, you can see comments. From this part you can see all of your comments. I'm gonna show you that later. This is everything to it, and it said publish date and everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.